Jasmy fundamentally acquired around 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. The EMA 50 explicitly is right now at $0.007, which especially is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally is floating at $87,003,429 in an especially enormous manner. Jasmy sort of has its essentially next opposition at $0.006, which all things considered, is very critical. 01 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly, certainly got clarification on some things, facts. What especially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense is Jasmy a fundamentally wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in a real sense, let us most certainly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,274,991,402,849, which in a real sense is very huge. The extremely all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $38,247,734,149, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, basically let us for the most part discuss the kind of current economic situations in a very enormous manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin really is drifting at $87,003,429, or so they certainly thought. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP by and large is up by 4.76 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions sort of show that the market sort of is going in an especially descending course, for especially momentary and a genuinely significant manner. As of now, a general most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they most certainly thought. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly shows that 01 November 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and truly attempt to respond to these much of the time, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in every practical sense, is Jasmy a wise venture, which truly is very huge. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers certainly become most certainly more truly dynamic, and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly further appearance, how XRP the kind of local coin of XRP generally is up by 4.76 and at present exchanging at 60 cents, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers certainly become moves sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Jasmy coin backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Which in a real sense shows that 01 November 2023, in this video, we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Most certainly is Jasmy a by and large wise speculation, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The kind of current Jasmy coin cost essentially is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, which truly is very critical. Presently, Jasmy essentially is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which sort of is very critical. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 01 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of underneath, by and large further appearance, how XRP the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP in a real sense is up by 4.76 and presently exchanging at 60 cents in a sort of significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Jasmy coin. Which especially is genuinely critical. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, by and large further appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin essentially is floating at $87,003,429 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, which in every practical sense shows that 01 November 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on some things, facts. What especially is by and large momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, fundamentally is Jasmy a for the most part wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin truly is at present floating at 19 for 14 days exceptionally normal line, which generally implies Jasmy for the most part is in oversold zone, and a pattern by and large inversion basically is conceivable. Sort of additional appearance how Jasmy coin financial backers need to for the most part hang tight for any directional change over the essentially day-to-day outline, which certainly shows that 01 November 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally sought clarification on some things, facts, what